All right, welcome back to Terrible at Fishing. We got something cool that you and I have come up with and invented. Really neat thing. Let's watch my intro. Still my favorite intro. So this morning I did a live, and some of you chimed in and helped me figure something out. Now, on my boat, you guys all know my boat. It's a Sea Eagle Fold Cat 375. Love my boat. Love my boat. And it's got a ton of fun stuff on it, as you can see. So, right now, this is where my tackle is. It's on the front seat. And it is in a bag. I want, it works, but what if somebody wants to sit here? I don't know. So this goes someplace else. So I wanted it back here on the rear slat. See these slats? I have a spot to here on the corner. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a seat mount, slide in, locking seat mount, put it in the back. Now what we came up with this morning, genius. I really think Sea Eagle needs to do something like this. Probably a little nicer, but for $20 is all this cost. I went to Harbor Freight and got that. You put a seat pedestal, which I already had in my garage. It's a little rusty, but it works. Bolted it to the bottom of this baby. And now it opens. I have 4 trays of all my lures, except for the big ones. Big ones, they're going to go up here. My big swim baits are going to go up there. Put a little thing on there. So this just slides right in right next to me back here, right behind me actually. There's a slat right behind me on the corner. It's going to slide right in there. And all I got to do is turn around, open it up, and pull what I need off of it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some hangers on here so I can put the tools on there and stuff like that. But come on, that's pretty cool. I mean, my boys thought this up. So thank you very much. I mean, it's pretty nice. I like it a lot. And it's just going to be sitting right back here, and I can just turn back there. I'll put some mounts on here. There's all sorts of things you could do with the sides of this. Well, not the outside, because that'll be hanging over the boat. But the inside, bam, maybe. See? We'll put my telephone on there. This will be my phone booth. You know how many people are going to talk about that? They already talk about my boat. But when I put a phone on my tackle box looking like a phone booth, in fact, I should paint it and make it look like a phone booth, because that would actually be really funny. So, anyway, we invented something today. $20. That's all that box cost me over at Harbor Freight. And I already had the pedestal. I got to buy the little bracket down here. That's like $15, I think, or something like that. Or I could just screw it in, but I want it removable. So it's a shame it doesn't lock, but it's plastic. If anybody really wanted anything out of these things, they would just rip it open and take what they want. But that was pretty cool, guys. So, bam. My boat's hot. Yeah, hot boat. Love this boat. You can modify any way you want. I mean, you really can. It's limitless what you can do with this boat. I don't know. I go to Sea Eagle, check it out, because it is a cool boat. And I used to, my first version, I inflated every time. I had a minivan, and I just threw it in the back of the minivan. And then I rolled it out, inflated it, launched it, took about 20 minutes, and off I went. But this one, kind of just leave it this way during the season and just slide it in the back of my pickup, because I bought a pickup since my minivan. Blew up my video, man. What a bummer. All right. Funny intro. Outro. Thank you very much, guys.